Today's question, and again, it's something I'm often asked, and it's how do you get rid of nerves? Sales is nerve-wracking, right? Why? Because people are going to say no to you. People might be rude to you. No one likes salespeople. So it's a horrible feeling to think, oh, I've got to pick up the phone. I've got to go and have a meeting with someone, and it can get in the way, right? It's a question I'm often asked. How do you get rid of nerves? Why do you get nervous? Here's why. And I'll give you an example when I do my speaking. Okay? I'm about to go and do some talk or some speaking event or whatever, and I start getting nervous. The reason why I get nervous is because I'm thinking about myself. The conversation in my head is saying things like, what if I forget? What if I mess up my lines? Or what if they're not interested? Or when you start thinking these thoughts, obviously you're going to get nervous. And the trick is to take the spotlight off you, take the attention off you, and shine it on your prospects, the people you're trying to serve. So the way nerves manifest is, knots in your stomach, and your knees are shaking, or you're just feeling anxiety. When you start feeling that, then use it as a trigger. I'm thinking about myself. And then change the conversation. Right, how can I help them? What is their challenge? What's the best way I can help them? Change those conversations. So you literally got to repeat it, because you can't hold two thoughts at the same time. So if you leave it, then you'll have the nervous negative chatter going on. But if you take control and start thinking, how can I help them? How can I serve them? Not, if my pitch okay, me, them, all right? Remember, so simple way to get rid of nerves, take the spotlight off you and shine it on them, okay? If you found this interesting, or if you know someone who could get value from this, please share it, and also subscribe, and comment as well. If you have any questions, I'll be answering them along. I'll be doing lots of videos coming up. So in the comment box, and if you watch this on YouTube, head on over to mindfulsalestraining.net, sign up, you get a whole bunch of goodies. Okay, this is Annie Skizzlebash from Mindful Sales Training, and I'll see you in the next video.